Annie Johnson Flint, in her poem, The Red Sea Place, asks, have you come to the Red Sea place in your life, where in spite of all you can do, there is no way out, there's no way back, there's no other way but through? You come to a place like that? Well, the Israelites did. They came to a place. Now remember, they weren't the Israelites yet. They were a band of slaves from different places, a band of people who were enslaved from different places. And now they're under this leadership of Moses, and some of them are like, now they're complaining, they're whining. Oh my God, why did we leave Egypt? At least we got something to eat there. Now we're facing this Red Sea and these guys behind, we're gonna die. I can hear someone, we're gonna die, you know. Moses has handful. They came to a Red Sea place. Now, what happened? You know what happened, right? Moses said, and this is a key, part of the formula for dealing with our challenges and our difficulties. Very important formula. He says, stand still and see the salvation of the Lord, which he will work for you this day, that he'll fight for you, and you shall hold your peace. I like that hold your peace part. Basically he's saying, shut your complaining. Quit whining, quit complaining, quit all this fear talking. Stand still. Now, that's a simple formula, but it's not easy, is it? No, it's not easy. Why? Because the human mind, when it's faced with a problem and a challenge, what is it like to do? It can go crazy. It can say, oh my God, what am I going to do? I don't know. I'm just fed up with this. I don't know what to do. and it starts blaming and talking about why he's the problem or she's the problem or the boss is the problem and the economy is the government's the problem. You know, it's because of how I was raised, that was the problem. It's because of my genetics, that's the problem. Because, you know, my stars aren't lined up right. It's not that time of the year for me. Whatever, right? The mind just starts going wild and crazy. Or it starts to try to solve it. Okay, well, let's this is what I've got to do, and this is how we should. Here's the problem. Remember Einstein? The guy was pretty smart. He said you cannot solve a problem from the same level of consciousness that created it. How many times have we read that, seen that, heard that? Maybe this is your first time. I don't know. Anyway, what does he mean? He's meaning don't try to solve the problem from the same mind that created it in the first place. Well, you might go, well, I didn't create this problem. Well, it's in your life. So one of the key principles in metaphysics is that we are co-creators of our life experience. Okay? I mean, maybe we didn't cause the pandemic, but we do have a consciousness of how we're going to react to it. And running around like crazy isn't going to help us. So stand still. Stand still. Thank you for joining us for a Sunday service. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more services as they go live. Click above for a list of previous services on a variety of topics. We look forward to seeing you again soon.